Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very lovely silky hair growth butter stroke cream. So I'll be using cloves and I'll add avocado oil. This avocado oil is very good for your hair and will make your hair shiny, silky. So add the oil on that you have on the pan and let it sit for 15 minutes and bring it out from the stove. Let it sit extra 24 hours, and then what you do is to sieve, or better still use a cheesecloth. This will help you drastically, and this will help you prevent the particles from entering your hair butter. So you want to squeeze until you make sure all the oils that you are infused has come out from the cheesecloth. If you don't have a cheesecloth, just use a strainer, a sieve, and you can sieve it up to 2 times. Let it sit before you can pour it out again. Make sure all the particles are out. So now we're going to use the main ingredient, that is shea butter. You want to add cetyl alcohol. This is optional, and this is fenugreek seed powder. And then I'm going to add this fenugreek seed powder in the bowl with the cetyl alcohol and the shea butter. Then I'll add a little bit of the oil inside here. I wouldn't want to use everything because I wouldn't want it to be too runny. So now I'm going to put it in a double boiler, letting it sit there to make sure they are fully melted. You don't want to let any particles to remain on the oil because of the cetyl alcohol. That is the EWAX, emulsifying wax. So you want to keep your eye on it and make sure everything are fully melted, and then you have to whisk them. And then what you do again is to cover it, keep it in the freezer, make sure it is fully covered, and then when you see it's like so, you have to start wixing. You have to whisk until all the blocked ones are out. You see, it's very difficult, so I usually like to use my wicks, my kitchen what is it called, the kitchen the kitchen one, was it the whipping whatever. Just whip it with this and whip till make sure everything is completely whipped. You keep whipping. It's not what you would do and just remove your hand, because of the emulsifying wax, that it will soon go back as if it's grainy. So at the time you use your spatula to scrape the bowl to make sure everything is completely okay. As you can see, I still have some under, so I will scrape them and whisk them once again. I'm going to whisk. You can see the grainy part, how it looks like. It's now grainy. I have to add more oil. So at this stage, you want to add those oil, but you have to add it gradually until your own consistency. Mind you, the place I'm living is cold this time. So if you are living on a hot area, you want to add very little. Then you can add your fragrance or your essential oil. So I'm going to wanted to put it inside here, but I wouldn't because it couldn't enter. So what I use is my freezer bag, a clean freezer bag, by the way, very clean one, new one. So now I'm going to make sure I do it as if I'm trying to pipe something. So I would look for my scissors and then to cut the tip. You make sure everything goes under. Take a scissors, cut the tip, and then now You can use any plastic bag. If you have a plastic bag, you know those bread plastic bag, you can also try topple it up and use it for um, this piping. It must not be fancy. You can also use kitchen paper for it, but then it takes a lot of techniques so that you don't spoil your work. So now pour them inside here. This is very good for your hair. This clove and fenugreek, it makes your hair grow massively. This you can sell. You can still resell this, but if you want to sell this, kindly follow the cosmetic guidelines and make sure you add preservative and add the ingredients that you have used for this product. So this is a very good gift for your friends, also for your family, for yourself, for your child. Anybody can use this hair butter. It grows hair massively. This has helped me tremendously to grow my hair, especially this clove. Clove is very good for the hair. That avocado will make your hair shiny. Guys, if you like this video, if you like my video, kindly give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.